Hey folks, guess what's here today? My Temu order. That's right, I took the plunge after seeing just a few reviews and not really knowing what was legit or not, so I decided to try it for all of you. That's right, I'm just out of the kindness of my heart. But in all seriousness, I did want to try it because I had been hearing lots of things and I get the ads all the time. And a little bit about my order process was that I ordered it on April 16th in the evening, and it took about 12 days to get here. I got it today, and today is April 28th. So not too bad considering I ordered in the evening and I got it today. So I ordered a few things that I had kind of had my eye on, but I felt also kind of rushed and panicked, which is I think how the app has been successful, because my introductory offer was buy 6 things, get 3 of those things free, I believe. So I jumped right in and I ordered some stuff I had been wanting to try, or things that I wanted to buy but were really expensive, like some headphones. I wanted to try a cheaper alternative. So let's go through everything that I got and see the quality. Your guess is as good as mine at this point. Okay, a professional YouTuber I am not, so please excuse this unboxing. I can smell like the absolute chemical smell just coming right through here, so. One thing people are worried about is like lead content. What you could buy is a lead testing kit from any hardware store, and I think you'd be okay. All right, so these are some kitchen refrigerator liners that I wanted to try out. Why not? I will put the price of everything on the screen here for you, and you could see that's those. I keep getting this ad for this bag, so why not? This is probably what really smells like absolute, yes it is, PVC. So anybody who knows me knows I love bags. I thought this was cute. I kept seeing ads for this bag over and over again. It's a crossbody. I can do a fuller review. It's obviously very cheaply made, but I thought it was worth checking out, and it is cute. My mom is looking for something like this, so I might show her this and see if she wants to give it a try. But curiosity got the better of me, and this was definitely under $10 on this. So it has a cute matching crossbody strap. These I almost paid a ton of money for on Amazon. It's a little spa headband, and then 2 of these for your wrists for when you're washing your face so that it doesn't slide down on your wrists. So I was about to spend $14 on multiple of these, and then I decided not to, and to try to give this a go. Some hair clips. These are trendy right now to keep your hair out of your face when you're doing your makeup. Simple as that. Hand sanitizer. I love the shape of these, but I don't like paying the full price for that very trendy brand right now. So I wanted to get one of these, like a reusable one that I could fill up and not have to pay a ton of money for each time. See what's in this. Oh, simple enough, cheap, but necessary. I wanted something to put like my floss picks in, because right now they're just in a bag in my bathroom. All right, the 2 last things I got are electronics. So I got Maggie Grace this digital camera for kids because she likes taking pictures. So I thought, why not? So let's see what it looks like. It's smaller than I thought. Oh, this is way smaller than I thought. It does have some film on it. Feels very cheap, but that's okay. Right, and then I'll charge that up and give it a better review later. And then I got these Lenovo headphones because they're trendy right now, right? I hope they're the right color. I did not order black, I ordered the tan. So we'll see what those end up looking like and trying them on. Again, they are a name brand, which is Lenovo, and the reviews seemed okay. I would really prefer a better microphone, I'm guessing, because that's what the review said, that the microphone wasn't great on them. So I will check all these out, give it a better review, and then check back in with you. All right, that does it for our unboxing. I'm gonna give these things a try, let you know how I feel about them overall, but I certainly think that this has met my expectations. It has not exceeded them, but it also hasn't plummeted my expectations either. They are exactly the kind of quality I was expecting. The camera may be a little smaller than, not a little smaller, it's definitely smaller than I was expecting, but again, all of these things were so cheap, I can't really complain. One of the concerns people have is lead, so what I will do is probably get some lead test strips and just test things and see if anything comes up, and if not, then great. I'll definitely report back. I know that's been a concern before with Shine or Shein, however you pronounce that. I've never ordered from there. I know they were testing and found lead in children's clothes, so that's certainly something I don't want to expose my daughter to if I can. So that's that. All right, thank you for joining me. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you have ordered from Temu, what you've ordered, and have you liked it? Did it meet your expectations? Until next time, bye.